Today I will explain about the B.E.G most intelligent and economical DALI Link Kit solutions. So it is ideal application for any conference room or any 2 BHK, 3 BHK apartment. So please come. So once you enter the room, you can see the lights are automatically on because we have installed the very flat ceiling mount sensors over here. So through the occupancy, the light will automatically on. If there is no any occupancy in the premises, the light will be off automatically through the sensors. Here we have installed the different product portfolio. So here you can see there is one power supply, there is one push button module, and there is one sensors. There is one whole kit that we call DALI Link Kit. Here in the power supply, we can configure 25 DALI ballast, and here we can configure any 4 button push button switches over here. So we can easily configure the total 8 scenarios over here, like all on, it's all off. Then you can also see the favorite scenes. If you want, this is a DALI relay, so we can also configure the high and load as well. So here you can see there is a AC on and the AC off, right? So again all off. And here if you want to operate through the cloud, then we have this particular push button we can configure through the IoT touch panels as well. So this is a JR touch panel. So here you can turn on the 10% all the lights, at the 25%, 75%, and all off. So we can easily integrate with the IoT touch panel through the DALI push button module. It's a very economical and cost effective solutions for DALI protocol. Thank you.